be a tutorial on a Twaid out. So if you came here for this video, stay tuned. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and also make sure you share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications bell, and you want to click on the bell and then click all notifications so you're notified of every single video I post. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So we're gonna take this section and we're gonna spray it with water. Warm water. If you have low porosity, you wanna make sure it's warm. Then my hair is already detangled, so I'm gonna just go back and smooth it. So smoothing, smoothing, smoothing. We're gonna apply a little bit more leave-in. The leave-in I'm using today, if you guys haven't saw, is the Miel Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go in with that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Gemini Naturals Get Hued and Mulberry. And then I'm gonna go in with the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Testing Souffle. And then I'm going to seal it with the Gemini Natural Seal It Up that I put earlier. So that's my strategy. I'm gonna do basically the LCO method. Or the LCO method, because the twist and souffle, I normally stop there, but in this situation, I want to really make sure my hair is sealed. So we're going to take the cream, a little too much leave-in got on my hand. It just squirted out. Okay, so we're going to massage this into the hair. With the smoothing again, because that's just how I like to do it. I like to make sure everything is spread evenly. So we got it all spread evenly. Now we're gonna go in with keep my hair like this. This is my technique. We're gonna take about this much of the vegan hair color and we're gonna press down. So you see I'm doing the ends of the hair. I'm trying not to go too far up. So we got it at the ends. And we're gonna go in and put the souffle all over the strand. All over the hair section. And then we're gonna go in with the brush and smooth it. I already could tell I'm gonna love this color. I already know because I put it on before. And then we're going to do the Seal It Up oil. Put a good amount on there. And then we're gonna massage this in. Okay, so now we got all this on here. So now we get to the good part. So, start it off like a braid, split into 3 sections. And then we're gonna start braiding. Make sure it's tightly pulled to the scalp. That's gonna help to elongate your curls. Tightly pulled to the scalp. Tightly pulled. And then we're gonna go down 3/4 of the way down. Okay, we're gonna smooth again. And then now we're gonna combine. So we're combining the 2 strands. And then we got 1 strand over here. So we're gonna start 2 strand twisting. Excuse the car alarm. Okay, so now we're trying not to borrow hair, but if you have to, that's okay. To me, I haven't noticed any difference, like any drastic frizzing or anything when I take it down. But you want to make sure it's dry, right? Because, yeah, we talk about that all the time in the natural community. If it's not dry. So I'm going to finish the rest of this. I'm going to let you guys watch while I play music. And then once I get to the front, I'm going to show you in the front. Sound good? Good. All right.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. I've been scrolling through the text messages you sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And when I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Sober up, think it's time for me to sober up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. I'm going to unravel my twist and we're going to see what we working with. Did my style come out good or did it come out not so good? So you guys know, if you did this before, anytime you unravel twist braids, whatever style, make sure it's dry. And your girl, I'm thinking my hair is dry, but I don't know for sure. So we gonna see. Stay tuned, watch me unravel my twist, and then we're gonna fluff and get to that good stuff. So I wanted to let you guys know I'm using African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This is a multi-purpose oil for hair, bath, nails, and body. A blend of penetrating natural oils. It has extra virgin olive oil and African extracts. So this is what I'm using to take out my twist. We're gonna come back when it's all done. Pray for me that this unravels dry.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby. Kisses on my neck and the love you gave me. When I think about it, I go a little bit crazy. It's gotta be more than this for you and I to coexist. Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer. Help me, I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer.
Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of the Twaid out. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Help me, I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure, so baby pull me closer.